guys, battery install time. So I picked up one of these anti-gravity batteries. These have been pretty popular in motorsports due to the light weight of the battery. Lithium ion. This thing weighs about 5.7 pounds, which is extremely light. So I went and picked one up. Figured what best way to shave some weight off the front end of the car, help lighten up everything. So I decided to go with the ATX 30 for a car that I'm not going to be driving year round, storage during winter, trickle charge. This will more than suffice. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the OEM one. This is still the original one from 2015 that I have in the car. So I'm going to remove this battery, weigh the OEM one, and also weigh the anti-gravity battery one and compare the differences. So without further ado, I've already bolted the connections, so this thing is ready to come out, and I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand, but I think I'm gonna put the phone down and then show you guys the weight on the scale. So this is already pretty heavy. I'm gonna need both hands to pick this one up. So just want to show you guys really quick. This is coming in at 28 pounds right now. All right, let's take this off. Grab the anti-gravity battery. This thing is super light. I mean, I feel like I'm grabbing like a hollow box. That's how light it is. Just put this on the scale, see if the scale will even read it. There you go, 5.4 pounds. That is extremely light. That is significant amount of weight removed off the front end, in my opinion. For the price, I don't think you can beat it. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up this battery tray a little bit. And I picked up a mounting kit from local O'Reilly store. I grabbed two different ones with 8-inch rods, and I believe these are 10-inch. So we're just gonna test fit for now while I'm still waiting on the battery terminals to come for the anti-gravity battery. So we're gonna play around a little bit and see how we can make it fit and test out different. All right guys, so we got the battery all mounted up. So if you can see, this is again, I want to mind you, this is the ATX 30 from Antigravity. So we left the OEM tray down there. As you can see, the battery fits perfect in there. And we picked up this tie down, adjustable tie down from Advanced Auto Parts, and the J hooks for it. And I made these like plastic spacer washers, so this thing does not dig into the hole. The hole was a little bit larger, so I just used this like plastic washer, cut out one of the corners so it fits there perfect. And as you can see, the battery is pretty good on there. It's pretty tight, not going anywhere. And we shifted it around so you still have access to the jump start button on the battery. So the battery is pretty much a perfect fit in here, all installed. And I also want to show you the box for, let's see, where did it go? This is from Die Hard. Battery hold down from Advanced Auto Parts. I purchased this, I believe it's like $10. It's some type of composite material, and that's what's holding it down. Now, for us to finish this install, we're still waiting on the battery terminals that are coming from Antigravity. You need those if you're going to hook up these batteries to the car. So what's going to happen is these are going to pop off. The terminal screws in here, and you connect the battery cables to that. So we're still waiting for those to come in the mail so we can finish this install. But other than that, I think that's a pretty good fit on an ILX engine bay. Didn't have to do any sort of modifications or cutting. All you really need is just adjustable tie down, battery tie down, and this is pretty light too. They make metal ones, but the composite one's pretty light, pretty strong, so that will work great for you. Alrighty, the battery terminals finally arrived today. Here they are from Antigravity. These are the battery terminals you need when you buy these types of batteries to connect them to your car. So the terminals are going to come negative and positive. They're different sizes. You can see the thickness. They're different size, and they're going to come with these 2 bolts. Alright, these little blocks, threaded blocks, these come with your battery. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take these blocks, slide them in these pockets here, just like that. You're going to slide them, and when you drop in your battery terminal on top, you're going to put this screw through there and thread it into that block that we just slid in there, and that's how you're going to connect these terminals. Alright, the installation is now complete. So here's what it looks like with the terminals connected. You see the bolt down there that's holding down the terminal. It's kind of hard to show from this position, but you can see the block in there. That's the block that we inserted, that the threaded block that accepts that screw that goes through the terminal. And we still got some clearance here for that restart button in case we need to jump the battery. So at this point, everything's connected. So the next thing would be to go ahead and try to start the car. Alrighty, key in hand. So far so good. Can't resist. I think that is a successful install. Alright guys, hopefully this serves you as a good guide to get these anti-gravity batteries installed in your car. I know I didn't find anything really online showing how the terminals are connected and how that whole process works with putting one of these batteries in the car and setting it all up. So I thought I'd do this little DIY for you guys. So hopefully this works, you guys find it helpful, and I highly suggest picking up one of these batteries. These things are amazing, super light, and you know, with that restart feature, pretty much you'll never be stranded. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one.